After winning the Lok Sabha election from Tura parliamentary constituency, the newly elected MP Saleng Sangma today resigned as the MLA of Gambegre. He submitted his resignation to the Commissioner and Secretary of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Speaking to media persons, Saleng Sangma said that he won the election due to the blessings of the people of Garo Hills. Sangma said he will be raising several issues in Parliament like unemployment, ILP and matters relating to the educating sector.
We have already forwarded lots of issues, especially from the state. Now, you might have seen that we have taken up resolutions of language that is to be put into, considerations in the 8th schedule. That is Garo language and the Khasi language. Okay, and another, the one which we have taken the resolutions on the floor of the House is that ILP, inner line permit. We will try. I'm not saying that we will get it. Right now, the advantage is that somewhat the democracy is safe because the BJP, they have the NDA, they have not got the BJP, they haven't got the majority. That's why there is a chances. Moreover, they cannot bulldoze anymore.